Hi there, friends. My name is Jamie Jo, and you have found the channel called Jamie Jo Sells Wax here on YouTube. I am a Scentsy consultant, and I have been working with Scentsy for over 15 years. And let me tell you, of all the jobs I have had, it is absolutely my favorite job. So today we are going to be talking about the warmer of the month for June of 2024. And while we're talking about the warmer of the month, I'm going to tell you a little bit about one of the perks of being a Scentsy consultant, and that is the fact that we get a sneak peek of the warmer of the month every single month for 2 weeks, essentially. We get it on the 15th of the month before, so we get to see it about 2 weeks early. And also, we have the opportunity to purchase an entire kit of the warmer of the month and the scent of the month at that same time on the 15th. So first of all, we're gonna go ahead and check out the warmer. There is the boring little black and white picture of it. It is called Let Freedom Ring. Now, as we open this warmer, let me tell you, usually, the warmer of the month has to do with a holiday for the next month. Now, why do we do it a month ahead of time like that? It's because that gives you time as the customer to get the warmer for decorating for that holiday. So obviously, Let Freedom Ring is a patriotic warmer. Now, this is the warmer for the US. The warmer for Canada is a very similar look of a warmer, only with the maple leaf, and I believe it had the Canadian flag. I'm in Oklahoma, so I don't really know that I paid attention to the Canada one. And I really don't even know what it is for Europe, but this is the warmer of the month for the US for June of 2024. Let's really look at this warmer. I'm gonna kind of turn it sideways so you can see the texture in there that is all raised. Even this blue part is raised off of the red and wood look. The star has quite a bit of depth to it, as do the letters. So it's not just a flat, basic design. It has texture, it has depth to it. And I love the look of this. Let's see if you can hear this. I don't know if that even came across on camera, but this is textured as well. This is not just a flat print. There is texture even to the wood look of that. So it looks like distressed wood, aged wood, farmhouse wood, whatever you want to call it, all the way around. It has that design on the front. Now, this is a one-piece full element warmer. What does that mean? So a lot of our warmers have light bulbs in the bottom. I don't have this one on, but that one has a light bulb in the bottom. This one does not have a light bulb at all to warm the wax. There is a warming plate built into the warmer under this dish. Now, you do still have the toggle on the cord for the on-off, but instead of the light coming on, so you know it's on, there's an indicator light on the back of the warmer. So you are going to plop your wax right down in that dish right there. Now, I know our other dishes, oh, cool. I just learned something new. Our dishes on our warmers often have a number on them that tells you how much wax to put in the dish. I had a sudden thought right as I was filming this, how do we know how many squares to put in these? But I noticed that now even on the element warmers, there's a number 4 there. I'm guessing that that is our indication that they're recommending 4 cubes of wax for this warmer. That's what I would assume. Most warmers are a recommendation of 4 cubes. So I'm gonna guess that that's why that number 4 is on the bottom there. Absolutely love this warmer. It's a fabulous price point, $45 normally, but every month, the warmer of the month is 10% off. So if you grab this in June of 2024, you're gonna get it for $40.50. It kind of matches the aesthetic of what we've been seeing in the warmer of the month for this month. January was an element with a heart. In February, we saw the St. Patty's Day, an element. March, we saw the little bunny element. This was April's. It was actually still right behind me, but a very basic warmer as well. Then we saw last month the pink pickup truck, which was so cute, a fan favorite. We've done the retro truck in several different colors. So I love how they're sticking with the very basic warmers. So far, 4 warmers of the month for this month. I hope they stay with that trend. Along with the warmer of the month, we always get a scent of the month every month. So here is my box that I got with my kit, and we're going to talk about that kit. I teased you with it at the first of the video, but we're going to talk about it more in detail in just a second. Let's go ahead and start talking about the scent first. This one is called Jammin' Jubilee. Bright, beautiful red, perfect for 4th of July. Let's give it a little sniffy sniff. Definitely fruity. It's very fruit forward, very sugar forward. If you love sweet, sweet fragrances, this is going to be it for you. For me, it smells like just straight up sugar, cotton candy in your face, but you can still smell those fruit undertones as well. I'm going to grab my flyer of the scent of the month and warmer of the month, and it says it's red berry compote and blackberry zest are ready to party up with the irresistible addition of sugared syrup. Yes, lots of sugar in that. Sweet, sweet, sweet. So you've got red berries, you've got blackberries, you've got that sugared syrup, a super sweet smell. So you can get it in the bar of wax, normally $6, 10% off, $5.40, or you can get it in pods for all of our fan diffuser systems and our air purifiers, all the awesome stuff that takes the pods. These are normally 10 for a twin pack. You can get it for 9 this month. Okay, now let's talk about that really cool kit that I kind of alluded to earlier. If you are a Scentsy consultant, if you're one now, or if you decide to join and become one, you have the option to subscribe to a subscription for either just the scent of the month or the scent of the month and warmer of the month. So what do you get in that? First of all, it processes on the 15th of the month prior, so you are always going to get it early. You are going to get 7 bars of the scent of the month. You are going to get a pack of pods. You are also going to get a set of 50 of those flyers that I showed you. So these are perfect to pop in customer thank you mails, so they always know about the warmer and scent of the month. What is super duper cool is we have scratch and sniff stickers. Do you guys remember back in the days of elementary school how you would love to get a paper back from the teacher with those sniffy stickers? Yeah, so we have those. So these are rub and sniff stickers. So you get the bars, you get a pack of pods, you get the flyers, you get the scratch and sniff stickers. That is in if you just do the scent of the month kit. Now you can step it up, which is what I do, to get the warmer of the month as well. So I got all of that I just mentioned and the warmer of the month. Now guys, I wasn't about to do math in my head, so I did it all on a sticky note ahead of time. This kit only cost me $65 plus shipping plus tax, blah, 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 blah. Okay, the cool thing is I am making commission off of that. So I'm paying $65, but I am making commission off of it. And our commissions are tiered. When you first become a consultant, you're gonna make 20%. Once you've sold $1,000, you're gonna make 25%. I, on the regular, sell $2,000 a month. So any month that we sell $2,000 or more, we get a 5% bonus, making it 30%. So I paid $65 for it, but I am going to make back $19.50. Handy dandy calculator. That means I'm only paying $45.50 for this kit when it's all said and done, plus tax and shipping, you know, all the fine print. But I am getting 7 bars. That's a $42 value. I'm getting the pods. They're valued at $10. I am getting that warmer. It is valued at $45. That is a retail value of $97 worth of product, and I am getting it for $45.50 after my commissions are pulled out. That is one heck of a deal. So getting the warmer of the month and the scent of the month kit is a huge perk to being a Scentsy consultant. Now, I told you it's a perk. It's not a requirement that you do this. A lot of people, when they first start out, they're not making tons of money with their business. So I always suggest don't ever spend money until you make money. We are in this game to make money. But guys, we know that a lot of people become a Scentsy consultant just because they love the product. They want to get their hands on it early and at a discount. So that's why they become a consultant. So that choice is up to you. Whether you decide to add in this kit to your consultantship is totally up to you. But I just wanted to come on here, share with you guys this adorable warmer, this super yummy and sweet new fragrance. You can get it the entire month of June for 10% off at JamiJoSellsWax.com. There's always a tab that says specials and deals. I don't remember exactly what it says. You guys are super smart. You'll figure it out where it's at. Or you can just type in "Let Freedom Ring" and find it that way. If you guys have any questions about the warmer itself, about becoming a Scentsy consultant, about this kit that you can get as a Scentsy consultant, feel free to text me. You can always reach me at 918-888-9690, and I'm happy to answer any questions that you have right there. Guys, my name is Jami Jo. I hope that you have an awesome Independence Day with this gorgeous warmer in your home, and I hope that you have a sensational day.